Sniper trade of the day for May 28th, 2026, Canada Tortoise Capital. This is EWY, the iShares South Korea ETF. These are 10-minute charts. The black box represents the daily range from Wednesday. At 2, you notice the blue box. That's the last 30 minutes of the day, yesterday. The yellow dot is the opening, gap down at 3. 4 is the breakout above the hump of the RL10 at 4. We get long there. That's a 1, 2, 3 entry at 4 with a stop at 4, the standard risk. 5 is the second position because why not? It's 1 hour in hand with momentum. 6 is the third position when it exceeds the high of the day because why not? That's new information. 7, the RL10 rolls over. So now I'm stalking an exit with the spine of the dragon. That's the middle of the 3 orange lines, which is a 10-period Bollinger Band with a half of a standard deviation. At 8, instead of failing further, it regains its momentum and continues. At 9, it starts to roll over again. The summer has turned to fall. So now I'm stalking the exit at the spine of the dragon again. And we're out at 10 in the usual way with 3R on the first one, 2R on the second one, 1R on the third one for a total of 6R. And it closes very near the VWAP. That exactly. This is still a favorable result. There was some last minute buying going on, so I would expect a continuation pattern to the upside. Taiwan, as you'll see in the speed run of all the symbols on our other video from today, is just an astonishing move that continues to all-time highs. Canada Tortoise Capital, Sniper Trade of the Day.